Good morning and best wishes to us all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elda Da Costa. I am here to deliver a speech entitled Change Bad Habits. Before I begin this speech, let us give praise and thanks to God Almighty. Because thanks to Him, we are all still in good health and condition. My, my friends, you must dare to fight the laziness within yourself. You must be frank with yourself and say, I can change. When you succeed in doing that, many good things will await you in the future. Learn to be a person who is diligent and disciplined. Aside from those habits, another harmful one we often do is staying up late. My friends, staying up late is very dangerous for your health. Love your body and stop staying up late. Start change your bad habits. Begin with small things like being patient because change takes time. Also seek support, serious discrepancies with people who understand. Replace bad habits with your ones. Find healthier and more benefits alternatives. Set realistic goals. Don't be overly ambitious in the beginning. Lastly, identify your bad habits and decide which ones you want to change. Come, my friends, let's join together in changing our bad habits so we can answer better life for ourselves and those around us. Hi. Hmm. Oke, baik. Saya akan mempresentasikan PPT mengenai pentaruna. Oke, yang baik yang pertama itu tentang what is a noun. Okay, simple part countable noun is a noun that you can count. It has a singular form like one book and plural form like two books. You can ask number with them. Two, why is it important to understand countable nouns in English? One, to ask the articles and countable. You need to know when to ask before consonants and before plurals with singular countable nouns. Two, two from plural noun actually most countable nouns have plural forms that differ from their singular form, usually be ending s or else. Three, to choose the appropriate equivalent word like money. New and specific numbers are asked only with countable nouns. 4. To correct, grammatically correct and easily understandable sentence, incorrect as of countable nouns can make tenses sound accord or even change their meaning. Berikutnya, to communicate clearly and actually about Quinty. In many studies, it's important to able to distinguish between one thing and more than one. Next, countable nouns are nouns that we can count. They have singular and plural forms. Countable nouns are nouns that refer to things we can count individually. They have both singular one item and plural more than one item forms. Express tenses, countable nouns are nouns that we can count. They have singular and plural forms. Example of countable nouns: apples, apples, car, cars, book, books. Next, example of countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that we can count one by one. Example include apple, card, dog, book. Characteristic of countable nouns can be asked with number 1, 2, 3. Can have plural forms by adding s or s. Can be asked with words like a and money. P. Example sentence: I have a book. He has two dogs. Next, singular and plural forms. Countable nouns have two forms. One, singular, refers to only one item. Example, a car and apple. Two, plural, refers to more than one item. Example, cars, apples. Two from the plural usually. Art as book, books. Art as for words ending in s, h, c, t, books, books. Books. Examples of singular fish plural. One, one apple, one apple, two apples. A car, cars. Next, articles with countable nouns. How to ask a, an, a book, an apple. The articles are only asked with singular countable nouns. One, ask a before words that start with a consonant sound. Two, ask and before words that start with a full sound. Next, 21st for countable nouns. 21st are words asked to show the amount or number of something. For countable nouns, we ask we first says as. One, money asked to incart a large number. Example, I have many books. Two, few asked to incart a small number with a negative tone, not a noun. Examples: few people come to the meeting. Three, I few also means a small number, but with a positive tone, still a noun. Example: there are a few apples. Next, countable face uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are things you can count individually. They will have both singular and plural forms. Example, egg, here. You can say one egg, two eggs, or as here, some girls. Uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted individually, often because that refer to substance or abstract ideas. Examples, waters, rice. You can say to waters or the rices. Instead, you need to ask who needs like a glass for water or a bowl of rice.
Next. Next example sentence. 1. She has their cats. Cats is a countable noun. You can count cats. One cow, two cats. 2. There is a pen on the table. Pen is also a countable noun. The sentence as a pen which refers to one item. Finally, and thank you. Thank you. Ini adalah presentasi PPT saya. Sampai jumpa lagi.